Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto on BITUNIX Exchange. BITUNIX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to trade various digital assets, including crypto futures, without requiring KYC or Know Your Customer verification. It offers features like leverage trading, spot trading, and a user-friendly interface for both beginner and experienced traders. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your BITUNIX app. This is how the app looks. Here, you will see your total balance. Below, you'll see menu tabs such as Home, Markets, Futures, Spot, and Assets. To deposit and withdraw on BITUNIX, you tap the Assets tab. Then you go to Spot. Here, you will see your total assets. Underneath will be the deposit, withdraw, transfer, and buy buttons. If you want to buy using your debit or credit card, you click on the Buy button. Here, you select your fiat and the crypto you want to buy. Let's say Bitcoin. Enter the amount. Then you tap the Buy button and proceed with the process. However, if you want to deposit crypto using your external wallet, you tap on Deposit. You can search for the token here or scroll down to look for it. Let me pick USDT. Select the network you want to use. Let me use BSC BEP20 for fast and cheap transfer. Here, you can copy your deposit address or scan the QR code to deposit. Select where you want to deposit it, your spot account or your USDTM futures account. Let's keep it on spot account. Let me copy mine. Now, go to your external wallet where you have the fund. In my case, I will use my LBank app. By the way, if you haven't signed up on LBank, check the video description for the sign up link to register. Make sure to select the same token. In my case, it's USDT. Make sure you choose On-Chain. Here, you paste your deposit address from BITUNIX. Choose the same network. Enter the amount of withdrawal. And once all is set, you tap on Submit and proceed with the process. This time, let me show you how to transfer your crypto on BITUNIX. Go back to Assets tab. Tap on the Withdraw button. Choose the token you want to withdraw. Let me pick USDT. Here, you paste your withdrawal address. On my end, I will use my LBank account again to receive my withdrawal from BITUNIX. Choose the same crypto. Select the network. Copy your deposit address or scan the QR code. Then go back to BITUNIX and paste your external deposit address here. Choose the same network and enter the amount of withdrawal. The withdrawal fee under Binance Smart Chain is only 0.3 USDT. Once decided, you tap on Withdraw and proceed with the process. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.